they broadcast this in Milwaukee.
Me too. What did they throw? They're throwing stuff into the crowd down there.
Party all night.
You know, you had the utmost confidence in everybody out there. Just a dream realized. Something you worked for your whole life.
And he's another world champion, Skip Schumacher.
This is the 2011 Cardinals World Series Championship celebration.
Have you had a chance to look back on this season yet, or are you going to take some time to really inhale?
I'll take it.
Talk about it. Here in St. Louis. Performance and game attention. I bring you the mayor of the city of St. Louis, Francis Slay.
Mr. Mayor! Mayor McTee.
Please come back up to the podium.
Okay.
And I got the greatest phone call I've ever received in my life. It was from a guy named
This 11th Cardinals World Championship will always be remembered as one of and of course, most of all, congratulations to our remarkable
tonight and Chris Carpenter.
Yeah!
So many things that happened this year with this ball club that is not able to be. Senior Vice President, General Manager of the St. Louis Cardinals, please welcome John Mozela.
Johnny!
He's
Yeah, 12 and 12. 12 is better than 11.
People never believed that we were going to be a pretty good team in the NL Central. And,
you can't be comeback player of the year next season, so what are you shooting for?
I'd like to be back here again at this time of the year. And,
Yay, Lance! You're the man!
I really wanted them to be standing behind. Because St. Louis Cardinals have the most gorgeous uniform in Major League. It was found in the Rally School. The team is to look around and see the people in our organization that are sharing in this fun. And then the next day,
That was applesauce,
we
boy.
got beat by the Cubs.
Oh, boo!
And even our best. justice, but there's justice here.
You betcha.
It's really, it hadn't been the same every place in the country.
So, as head of the business side of things, to our great fans, and in particular our season ticket holders, who stick with us every year.
Yay!
Deposit down in the early part, the dead of the winter parties in 24 hours with food and drinks and ice sculptures and all this crazy stuff. Thank you to our partner, Sports Service. And lastly, let's finish with one more highlight and some fireworks and have a safe trip home tonight.
That's what Uncle Ben said.